Welcome to second part. Point 9: Sponsorships and Brand Deals. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. As your channel grows, companies may approach you for partnerships. Alternatively, you can reach out to brands that align with your content. 10. Diversify revenue streams. Don't rely solely on YouTube ad revenue. Explore multiple income streams like affiliate marketing, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding to ensure financial stability. 11. Optimize SEO and thumbnails. Improve your video's visibility by optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags. Create compelling thumbnails to attract clicks. Higher engagement can lead to increased ad revenue. 12. Stay consistent and adapt. Consistency is key. Upload videos regularly and adapt to changes in the YouTube algorithm. Stay informed about industry trends to keep your content relevant. Remember, success on YouTube takes time and persistence. Focus on creating valuable content and building a genuine connection with your audience to maximize your earning potential.